but in a lot of states it's legal to do that, for one. 2, she sounded like a broken record. 3, she was probably having a temper tantrum or panic attack. And 4, she might be special and she overreacted. Or she has sensitive hearing, which there's nothing wrong with either of those, but that's just when you take somebody inside. At that, ma'am, the screaming is not gonna make them stop. They're gonna keep trying to use the fireworks more and more to drown out your screams. And I wouldn't be surprised if she went to the hospital after this. Ma'am, what are you in for? My throat is so sore. Why? Because I was screaming for people to stop using fireworks. And why were you doing that? Because they wouldn't stop and I thought it would help. Did it? No. Here's some honey and go lay down. Next.